So Bogdo Nation, Danimer Scientific, a next-generation bioplastics company to become a public company. They've entered a definitive merger with Live Oak Acquisition, LOAK, NYSE ticker LOAK, pioneer in creating fully biodegradable and composable bioplastics, providing cleaner, healthier, environmentally responsible alternative to fossil fuel-based plastics. High-growth industrial leader and blue chip customers contracts demonstrating large-scale demand for PHA-based biodegradable plastics. Institutional investors commit to over $210 million at closing, including certain funds managed by affiliates of Apollo, Federated Hermes, Kaufman Small Cap Fund, and over $50 million from Live Oak affiliates. This is kind of cool. A next-generation bioplastics company focused on the development of production of biodegradable materials. Live Oak, a publicly traded company. Upon the closing of the transaction, the company will be renamed Danimer Scientific and is expected to remain listed on the NYSE under the new ticker symbol. Danimer will continue to be led by Stephen S. Croskery, Daimler's current CEO. We are excited to partner with Live Oak and transition Danimer to be a public company. They're creating environmentally responsible natural alternative solutions to traditional petroleum-based resins. Company signature polymer Nodax PHA, polyhydroxyl catenoate 8, is a 100% biodegradable, renewable, and sustainable plastic produced using canola oil, a primary feedstock. Nodax PHA is the first PHA polymer to be certified as marine degradable. The highest standard of biodegradability, which verifies the material will fully degrade in ocean water without leaving behind harmful microplastics. As a result, Nodax offers a better beginning of life to end cycle versus any of today's traditional plastics, eliminates the need for recycling, and can replace 80% of plastics that are never recycled or incinerated. We're going to end up with oily waters, though. There's going to be canola oil everywhere. Daimler is currently producing and shipping Nodax at an industrial scale level from its existing facility in Winchester, Kentucky. The company has partnered with key plastic manufacturing products companies such as Pepsi, Nestle, Genpack, WinCup, Columbia Packaging Group, and plastic suppliers. That's great. As they transition a wide variety of plastic applications, including straws, food, beverage containers, flexible packaging, agriculture, and medical applications, among others. Based on signed and pending contracts, the company is fully sold out of all production in its Kentucky facility and will use their increased capital to base significantly increased production. Sweet. To meet the current long-term demand of its customer base. They're a leader in rapidly expanding bioplastic industry, which currently represents less than an estimated 1% of global plastic market. Fully financed at closing of the merger to expand product capacity from 20 million pounds annually today to approximately 200 million pounds by 2025. The intense demand from existing blue chip multinational customers supports management revenue forecast of over 500 million annually to 225, with significantly increased profit margins by scaling existing production facilities. Ownership of a product of portfolio of core patents, including purchased from Procter & Gamble from 2007. I know there were bioplastic companies that went under back around that time frame too, so maybe Procter & Gamble owned them and owned the patents and bought them from those other companies or something. Expanded to include numerous application-based patents and now aggregating to more than 150 patents applicable in 20 countries. 890 million of equity, 385 million of cash, and only 20 million of pro forma debt provide ample flexibility to support abundant long-term growth opportunities, including further capacity additions domestically and internationally, as well as strategic partnerships and acquisitions of complementary technologies. High experienced leadership team with long-term tenure at the company and a broad of directors with a proven record of creating shareholder value. We are excited to partner with Live Oak. Said the CEO, we are at an inflection point of our growth trajectory, and this transaction will fuel the next phase of our rapid commercial expansion. Our research-based approach to creating environmentally responsible solutions has attracted a blue-chip, multinational customer base, and our partnership with Live Oak will allow us to further scale production to meet strong customer demand for our technology. We believe PHA has the ability to eliminate the pollution caused by single-use plastics worldwide, a potentially remarkable achievement. We are well positioned to further expand our 100% biodegradable products to a wide range of plastics and specialty applications with a long runway of profitable growth. That's great. Global growth. Rick Hendricks, CEO of Live Oak, commented, "They represent a unique, compelling investment opportunity to take our or pay contracted revenue from a blue chip client base for fully biodegradable plastic resin that addresses one of the world's most significant environmental challenges. PHA adoption is benefiting from the powerful tailwinds as the result of widespread corporate commitments and evolving consumer preferences for eco-friendly packaging solutions that address the worldwide petroleum problem of plastic waste. We believe Daimler is poised for rapid and sustained growth with a fully financed capacity expansion plan, proprietary customer applications, in addition to the gross amount of approximately $200 million held by Live Oak Trust account, institutional investors, including certain funds managed by affiliates of Apollo, which is big, together with consolidated subsidiaries Apollo, the Federal Hermes Kaufman Small Cap Fund, have committed to a private investment of $210 million in a Class A common stock of the combined company that will close concurrently with the business combination. Affiliates of Live Oak have committed to purchasing over $50 million worth of private investment. The transaction implies an equity valuation of Daimler approximately $890 million at closing. Man, it is anticipated that the combined company will have approximately $385 million of unrestricted cash on the balance sheet to fully fund future planned growth, including the expansion of its current facility and the build out of its contemplated greenfield facility. The board of directors of Live Oak and Daimler, Danimer, have unanimously, I can say it, approved the transaction, and holders representing a majority of Daimler's stock have signed voting and support agreements agreeing to vote for the transaction. Transaction will require approval from the stockholders. Yep. That's about it. You got a conference call going on right now. We're missing it as I'm saying this. If you want to, there's the phone number. We probably already missed it, but I will look for the investor presentation and we will move on forward from there. So far, price action. Let's take a look, shall we? Where are we at? Wow, it's done nothing. Oh, let's keep going. Oh, well, it's at 1050. Hasn't done much. Regardless, what's your risk at this point, right? Not too much. I don't know. What do you think? Bioplastic companies have fallen by the wayside by far in the past, but is it time? Is it time for them to finally rip? Let's find out. Let's get Octonation.